Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today it's time for another Plant of the Week video. And we are standing in front of one of my favorite trees on my property. This is my forest pansy redbud. In a minute I'm going to get you a little bit closer so you can see what the blossoms look like. It's just about ready to open. You know, there's a few of them open right now. So here's a shot of some of the buds that I have that are just at the stage of opening. You know, a few of them are open. And as you can see on this redbud tree, almost the entire tree is covered in buds. They even appear on the lower limbs, if you can see this. Here's another area where they're on the lower limbs. Now I'm going to show you some pictures of the leaves of this forest pansy redbud and show you exactly why I love it so much. The leaves on the forest pansy redbud are a beautiful maroon color, and they're heart-shaped, and they pretty much stay that color most of the year. They do fade to a little bit of green in the summertime. So let's go look at my neighbor's redbud tree that's in full bloom right now. It's just a regular eastern redbud with the green leaves, and show you what that looks like. Now here we are in front of my neighbor's redbud tree. As you can see, it's in full spectacular bloom. It is an absolutely gorgeous tree. See if we can get a good close-up on some of these flowers. And he has a couple of these trees. Sorry for the construction sound in the background. It's just what we get. So as you can see, he has two of these trees that are gorgeous. There are many different varieties, many different color combinations of redbuds. And they do pretty well here in Utah, especially the normal eastern redbud. Now my forest pansy, I did ask Cameron what the issue is with these. I killed 4 of them. Yes, they're expensive trees, and yes, I purchased 4 of them, and yes, 4 of them died. I really love them though. So this tree, I thought it was a goner. It died all the way back, and I don't know if we are going to be able to get through the junipers to see. It died all the way back almost to the ground. And because I was so depressed about another forest pansy redbud dying, I left it. You know, I left the tree and I didn't cut it down. But I found the next spring that it sprouted from the base, and it still had the beautiful purple leaves. So I talked to Cameron about that, and he said that the forest pansy redbuds, it's probably the cultivar and possibly even the Merlot cultivar that are a little more difficult to grow. So what do redbuds need to grow? Well, if you go through Kansas and look at the redbuds that grow wild there, they are absolutely gorgeous trees, but they are an understory tree. So my feeling is maybe some of these redbuds that are a little bit harder to grow need to have a little bit of shade and a little bit of protection their first year. Once they're done, you know, once they have established, they really do need full sun. They have moderate water needs. They're not completely drought tolerant, but they also don't like to drown. Fertilizer, I don't generally fertilize any of my trees. They seem to be able to grow in our alkaline soil, and they're just fantastic trees. So thank you for joining us on this Plant of the Week video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, click subscribe, and share it with your friends so that I can have the opportunity to do more videos and reach more people. So go out and try and plant a redbud. See if you can find a cultivar that works well for you and your space, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.